The last method that every provider requires is called getType. It returns a string that tells you the meme type of the data that's being accessed. Now, a meme type is just a standard way to define a data type, similar to file types like JPEG or plain text. For our purposes, it's okay to leave this method blank because we won't actually be using it in our app. It only becomes useful when meme types are used to organize data or to validate data. For example, an app might call getType to distinguish between movie and image types, or to check data type before doing something like a file conversion. For our task data, the meme types we care about are an item for a single row of data and a directory for multiple rows of data. If you want more information about getType and how it might look in the to-do list code, take a look at the instructor notes below. But right now, you already have a completed app, so take some time to congratulate yourself for learning all of these new methods and go ahead and enjoy your new to-do list app.